Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce me Harlina. I am a student of the Magister Economic Education at the State University of Jakarta. I will present my thesis proposal with a title, The Influence of Financial Literacy on the Economic Behavior Investment of Social Studies teacher in junior high school in Bekasi district to spiritual attitude and self-efficacy as mediating variables. My supervisor, Professor Dr. Saparudin Mukhtar SEMSI and Dr. Agus Wibowo SPD SPDI MPD. Background my research. Psychological factors such as overconfidence, her behavior, and emotions such as fear and greed often influence investment decisions, causing investors to sometimes make irrational decisions. This cognitive biases can result in investor taking risks that are disproportional to their ability. Financial literacy is a key component in investment decision-making. Individuals with good financial literacy tend to understand the risks and returns of various investment instruments and are able to avoid investment fraud. Spiritual attitude and self-efficacy can help overcome the influence of bias in investment decision-making. Individuals with high self-efficacy feel more confident in making the right decisions. While spiritual attitude can provide a broader view of life and financial goals, reducing the negative influence of emotions in investment. This is graphic value of commodity loss due to illegal investment 2020 to 222. In 222, as a higher value of commodity losses loss due to illegal investment in one decade. The value 120 triliun rupiah. Formulation of the problem. 1. How is the factor of the influence of financial literacy on the economic behavior investment of junior high school social studies teachers in Bekasi district to spiritual attitude and self-efficacy as mediating variables? 2. Does financial literacy affect spiritual attitude? And then, does financial literacy affect self-efficacy? Next, does financial literacy affect economic behavior investment? Does spiritual attitude affect self-efficacy? And then, does spiritual attitude influence investment behavior? 7. Does self-efficacy influence investment behavior? Next, does financial literacy influence economic behavior? Took spiritual attitudes as a mediating variable. And does financial literacy affect economic behavior investment? Took self-efficacy as mediating variable. Next, research purpose. To determine, number 1, to determine the description of the influence of financial literacy on the economic behavior investment of junior high school social studies teachers in Bekasi district, though spiritual attitudes and self-efficacy as mediating variables. Next, to determine the influence of financial literacy on spiritual attitudes. Next, to determine the influence of financial literacy on self-efficacy. Next, to analyze the influence of financial literacy on behavior economic investment. To analyze the influence of spiritual attitude on self-efficacy. Next, to analyze the influence of spiritual attitude on behavior economic investment. Next, to analyze the influence of self-efficacy on behavior economic investment. And to analyze the influence financial literacy on behavior economic investment to spiritual attitude as a mediating variable. And 9, to analyze the influence of financial literacy on behavior economic investment to self-efficacy as a mediating variables. Benefit study. 1. For practicing. This study is expected to provide significant benefits for social studies teacher in junior high school in Bekasi Regency in several critical aspects. First of all, the finding of the study can provide in-depth insight into the relationship between financial literacy, economic behavior, and the mediating role of spiritual attitude and self-efficacy. With a better understanding of these factors, social student teachers can develop more relevant and effective curriculum in improving students' financial literacy, understanding, and skills. Number 2, for academics. The finding of this study can open new insight into a relationship between financial literacy and investment behavior by including spiritual attitude and self-efficacy as mediating variables. Future research can detail and clarify the role of these two mediating variables in explaining the mechanism and the influence of financial literacy and individual investments investment decision for more. This study can also provide a basis for the development of a more detailed conceptual model of framework to understand the factor that influence investment behavior. Next, literature review. Grand theory is behavior theory. This theory focuses on observable change in behavior as a result of stimulus and reinforcement. More, a person is considered to have learned something if they can show change in behavior. Jimmer et al. 212. Constructivism theory. According to this theory, individuals do not only receive information passive, but they actively process, interpret, and integrate new information with exciting knowledge and experience. The development of competencies, skill, or knowledge is carried or independently by students, facilitated by educators, took learning decision and the action needed to product the expected change. Bandura 221. Financial literacy. The Financial Service Authority defines financial literacy as a series of processes or activities aimed at increasing the knowledge, skill, and confidence of consumers and the wider community to better manage their personal finance. Rimon 210. Spiritual attitude. Spiritual attitude as an action that is expected to be posited by them, with a related to psychological dimension involving spiritual, inner, fight, and pity aspect to good Almighty. Safari and Bhatia 223. Self-efficacy. Self-efficacy is an individual's belief in their ability to mobilize the motivation, cognitive resources, and action needed to exhibit success in a particular context. Basito et al. 228. Investment behavior. Investment behavior as a pattern of actions or decisions taken by individuals or groups in managing their asset and capital to execute certain financial goals. Sahu and Kumari 229. 25. Reverse research. 1. The effect of financial literacy, self-efficacy, and self-coping on financial behavior of emerging adults. Kok Fei Chong et al. 2. The effect of financial knowledge and financial attitude on financial management behavior mediated with locus of control. Nuriska, Agustina, and Mardiana. Conceptual framework. Financial literacy as a variable X. Spiritual attitude as a variable Y. Self-efficacy as a variable Y, and investment behavior as a variable Z. Research method. Unit of analysis and scope of research. This study used purposive sampling technique with as a non-probability sampling method in which units are selected for inclusions in the sample because of their accessibility of the research. Population and sample. The population in this study was junior high school social studies teachers in Bekasi Regency. The number of samples was calculated using the Taro-Yamani formula. Data analysis technique. In this study, Smart PLS version 4 software was used with data analysis technique based on structural equation modeling, or SEM, using the partial least square, or PLS, approach. SEM is a data analysis technique that allows stimulus testing of relationship formed from one or more independent variables or unmeasured variables. Nisa et al. 221. PLS is useful for testing causal relationship simultaneous from latent variables to indicators. Nisa et al. 221. Okay, thank you. My present. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.